I'm Monica Reynolds, MAPS coach, and this is your coaching tip of the week. How are you doing on those I care calls? The phone is your cash register. Make it ring, cha-chang. Build your lead generation muscle and call the easy people. They're waiting for you. So start with the I care calls. The purpose, and here's how it starts. When they pick up the phone, you go, "Hi, Jane, the purpose of my call is to say hello. I apologize, it's been a while. How's your family? How's your job? How's the business?" Ask questions about their life. Now, once that conversation is over, then there's the second part. "Hey, do you have any questions about this changing real estate market?" Usually they'll ask you questions and you'll know what the answers are. The third part of an I care call is you say to them, "Thank you for your time. I know it's very valuable, and it was great to catch up with you. I just had a thought. Could I ask you a favor? My business is based on referrals from great people like you. Most people will hear each year about 5 to 6 people thinking about buying or selling real estate. Do you know of anyone right now that I can help or in the future?" Pause, whatever, and then you say, "May I ask you to text me, call me if you hear of anyone? I would so appreciate the help. I have a goal to help 100 families with the American dream of owning a home. Thank you again for your time. It was great to catch up." Make those calls. It's easy. That's the first step to building your prospecting muscle.